Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to move from GoodNotes 5 to new GoodNotes. Are you still using GoodNotes 5? Moving to the new version is easy and gives you access to more features. Now let's see how to upgrade this by following these few simple steps and listen to these instructions. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the GoodNotes application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna search for the GoodNotes application. Once you click on the apps page, you're going to make sure to install the app by clicking on install. And once the installation is complete, you're going to open the app just like this. Going to open and make sure you log in with your account. Now, if you want to use your computer for GoodNotes, you're going to access the website goodnotes.com and make sure to download the Windows or Mac version. Or you can even use the web version by clicking on web here, and you can use the GoodNotes web version. Now let's go back to our topic and teach you how to move from GoodNotes 5 to new GoodNotes. We're gonna open the GoodNotes and check for the update prompts, or go to the App Store or Play Store, just like this. You're gonna go here, go to the App Store, go back here and search for the GoodNotes. Once you find this, you're gonna check if an update is available, or you're gonna update the app to the latest version if you see an update button. After that, you're gonna open it and follow the migration steps if you want, if prompted, and your notes will sync automatically. Also, you have to back up your notes before updating and use the same account for smooth migration. That means once you launch the app, you're gonna make sure to log in with the account you used before. And also, you're gonna explore new features after upgrading. Now, upgrading to the GoodNotes unlocks better features and performances. And make the switch and enjoy the improvements. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.